I am unboxing something that I got delivered today. If you can tell from the title, it is the MacBook Pro 2020. I'm gonna open it. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe and like this video, and then let's get into the unboxing. I got the space gray MacBook Pro. I originally had the MacBook Pro, but I gave it to my sister. It was the one from 2019. I got an iPad, so I thought I didn't need it, but I actually needed like an actual laptop, so I ended up getting this one. I just ordered like a case for it. It's a clear case, and I'm waiting for that to deliver tomorrow, so I'm gonna be getting that tomorrow. Time to get into the unboxing. I love peeling this part off. So my sister's is the 2019 one, and the keyboard is the butterfly keyboard, so it's like, it's different clicks. Siri, open the documents folder. Hey, Siri is ready. I don't know if I should do light or dark. I'll do auto. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna make a background. I'm gonna customize my laptop and like with the case and everything tomorrow, so I'll show you guys what that looks like tomorrow. Okay guys, so I finally got my case today, and I ordered it from Amazon. This is what it looks like. It's a clear case, just like simple clear case, and then it comes with like the keyboard cover and then also a screen cover and like the white. It even has like the escape key cover. That literally took forever. Time to put on the case. Wow, that looks nice. I've never had a clear case for my laptop before, so that looks very nice and sleek, and it looks like this when you open it up. I think I'm gonna put some Polaroid pictures here whenever I print them out, and then that would look really nice. So now I'm going to change my desktop really quickly. Guys, I finished. I'm gonna download it. That looks so cute. So now I am done.